Hi friends, welcome back to another episode of Whit's Tips on Nutrition Trends. Today we're talking mindful eating, and I'm sharing a super tasty snack that you can try it out with: cashew cream stuffed strawberries. When it comes to a healthy diet, how we eat is just as important as what we eat. Mindful eating is a nutritional strategy that helps regulate food intake by helping us pay more attention to what we're putting in our mouth and allowing us to detect our hunger and fullness cues. This helps us prevent overeating and maintain a healthy body weight. Here are a few ways we can do that. Number one, slow down. It takes the brain 20 minutes to register that we're full. If we scarf down food like it's a race, we're going to continue eating well past the point of fullness. Number two, sit down at a table to eat versus munching in front of the fridge or picking at food on the go. Number three, pay your food some respect and plate your meals and snacks versus eating things straight from the container. Number four, remove distractions like your cell phone, TV, or computer and focus on what's in front of you. And number five, appreciate your food. Something as small as a strawberry is made up of even smaller nutrients like antioxidants that are caring for your body and potentially protecting it from chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Recognizing the powerful benefits of whole foods is a part of mindful eating too. So now that you know how to eat, let's talk about one of my favorite healthy snacks. These cashew cream stuffed strawberries are perfect for displaying on a beautiful plate and slowly savoring every bite. Here's how to make them. Soak a half cup raw cashews in cold water for about 8 hours or flash soak in boiling water for 10 minutes. Drain the cashews, then add to a high-powered blender or food processor with 3 to 4 medjool dates, a 1/4 cup of water, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Blend until smooth. If it's too thick, add more water 1 tablespoon at a time. Wash and dry a pint of strawberries. Use a small paring knife to core the strawberries. Add the cashew cream to a frosting piping bag or a plastic sandwich bag with the corner snipped off and pipe the cream into the strawberries. Alternatively, you can just spoon it in. It won't be as pretty, but it will taste just as good. Sprinkle with toppings of your choice. I love cacao nibs, crushed nuts, or chia and hemp seeds. I hope you'll enjoy these tasty bites as much as I do and use them as an opportunity to hone your mindful eating skills. If you try the recipe, let me know by tagging me at WhitneyERD and at California Strawberries. Thanks for watching.